YouTube, what's good with it? It's your boys, Asia Pack here with another packed out video, you feel me? So look, today I got a video that all y'all been waiting on, alright? And I got y'all today. I ain't playing with y'all today, I got it. We going out today, we're gonna do this mukbang. We going to one of the worst spots in Arizona, literally. This spot is called Wong'S. So if you ever been there, hey, then you know what I'm finna walk into. I ain't never had it before. I don't think Gangin' never had it before. So we finna go there and we finna try this. I got Zeus with me right here. Zeus, come here. Sit down. Shake. Good boy. You feel me? Look at that. You feel me? That's my boy. He on go. I promise you. You walk up the wrong way, he might just have to get you. Look at him. Still right there. It's my boy, I ain't gonna lie to you. He finna be along with the ride. Y'all gonna see him in the video, but you feel me? Hey, look, I'm gonna catch y'all back there, and it's finna be a banger. Let's get it. Bye.
Hey, this shit is empty, bro.
We back with it, you feel me? We finna pull up here right now. We all a little scared. I ain't gonna lie to you. A little iffy about it. This is just crazy, dog. Is that it right there? Oh no, that's what's that place called? Just Locos?
But the place even sounds scary.
Dog, is it inside the mall? Hey, look it up. I feel like that's it. No, that's Hooters. That's not it.
Turn right here.
Turn right here. Did I pass it?
I think you came in. It was another light. So
Oh, okay. Dang.
Turn right at this.
Hellcat.
That ain't no Hellcat. See, you don't know your cars. I told you, bro. This the dude that caught that one car that.
Bro, no, bro.
Ah!
That's what I was pointing at.
Nigga, right? Again? Oh, that Camaro, boy. I thought you was finna beat out. Just boom. I was finna say, yes! I wasn't really gonna say that, y'all. I wasn't really gonna say that. I was finna be mad in here. I was finna be mad.
Break a leg and shit.
Right. Break a leg, literally. What I want.
My bad, bro.
Hey.
Hold on. Bye. What y'all think?
Empty as hell. All the people at Chipotle, bro.
Chipotle in the schedule store.
Schedule store.
You should be good.
Oh, look, someone just pulled up.
Oh, snap. Boy, they pulled up right in the front. That's probably the owner, bro. And maybe they just seen us pull up. They just seen us pull up and they was like,
Well, we got customers.
oh, we got customers, guys. We gotta go back. Let's go back to work. Come on. My boy with me right here. He's gonna go in this store. Not even the store. We finna go in here. We're gonna see what they got. Let's go see. Let's eat. Oh, snap. He said, what? They're gonna mute. This is the spot, y'all. I don't even know where we at for real. We got sandwiches, pizza, appetizers. It's really a burger. We're gonna get a burger, waffle fry, nacho. Waffle cut potatoes, smoothed with nacho cheese, tomatoes, jalapenos, sour cream. My bad. Come on. Thank you. That's an appetizer, dog. It's not even food.
$8 for an appetizer? Bro, what?
That's what I'm saying. I think I'm gonna get an appetizer and then a meal. I'm about to. You already know. Steezy. They Big Zeus. Big Zeus. My boy. Sit down. Sit. I think I'm gonna get waffle fried nachos without all that extra stuff on there. Hey, y'all watch out, gang.
Is the ranch in here too?
Hey, y'all watch out, gang.
This is a white sauce.
Are the waffle fried nachos good?
Excuse me?
The waffle fried nachos?
Are they good even? Yes?
Yeah.
No, yeah, it's like regular nachos, but just.
What, waffle fries? Okay. Let me actually. Y'all playing. I'm gonna order first. I'm gonna get an order of the waffle fried nachos. Can I get it with no tomatoes, no jalapenos, no sour cream, and no guacamole?
So do you want like the waffle fries with just cheese?
Pretty much. Is that y'all ain't got no meat?
Excuse me?
No meat to put on there?
Meat?
Y'all like ground beef or something?
Well, we don't usually put meat in it, but.
No, that's okay. That's okay. That's fine. Then you can do it just like that. And then can you slide this over to the your left?
Yeah, like if you want, I'll give you the menu.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. They got some bevs too.
Bro said,
Oh, appreciate you.
well, none of that on there. This cheese.
We got Charlie Burger. Try to I might get some wings maybe. Mild, medium, hot, suicide. So let me get. Oh, snap.
That's all the people that ain't paid.
Dude, look like. Hey.
Yeah, he look like. Bro, he look like he don't care.
Dog, what y'all finna get, bro?
But I'm gonna get them chili cheese fries, bro.
What you gonna get?
I'm probably gonna get what you get.
Waffle fried nachos, yeah.
Bro, oh, can I get the my bad? Can I get the fried chicken sandwich as well? Do it come spicy? Y'all got a spicy version of it?
A spicy version? There's no.
Dang, that's okay. And then, how much that thing was? $8? $10? For the channel, I gotta try something. And then let me get a 10 piece of the wings, lemon pepper.
10 pieces of wings.
Lemon pepper. And then that's gonna be all for that order. Or actually, yeah, that's gonna be all.
So it's gonna be waffle nachos. With just cheese in it.
Pretty much.
Alright, 10 wings and lemon pepper and a fried chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay? You just decide.
Gotcha.
You got guns on you, bro. Black Ops. Black Ops. No, he. Black Ops, bro. What is this? Is what I'm saying.
I can just start. Dang, my card just declined. No, appreciate you.
Have you signed on
Yeah,
it?
I got you. Thank you.
That one's yours. Make sure you don't use a receipt. This one, because they'll ask for it, and that one they give you the order.
Okay, I got you.
Right?
Do we go wait inside? Oh, wait right here. Wait right here? Okay.
I'm sorry for that.
No, you're good, you're good.
They closing time. They got all the chili.
Yeah, I think we're gonna eat in the car, y'all. Right out front. Give an honest review. Look, so this video I did, it came from, if you haven't watched, go watch Not Quite Like Dub. You feel me? You feel me? You gotta go watch him. He's hilarious, for sure. Hilarious. Go tune in, watch him, and you see where I got the video idea from. But right now we basically in the worst spot in Arizona. I ain't want to say it too loud, you feel me? But that's where we at. Worst review. I got some food to show y'all. I eat it, I eat it. If not, I don't eat it.
Show the seats.
I already showed him, bro. I already showed him. Dog. Ain't that bad though. The ceiling nice. Nice ceiling. I got some questions and stuff I gotta answer for y'all for this mukbang. I'm gonna answer them when we get in the car. But look, I'm gonna bring y'all back whenever the food come out actually. Bye. Anyways, he opened his food, y'all. This is what he opened it to. Chili cheese fries. That's what he ordered.
Bro, this shit look nasty. Bro, this look, bro.
It look
Man,
like
just get
noodles.
Chipotle, bro.
Nah, bro. Oh, what's that? She got
Flour bread, motherfucker.
flour bread on there. He gave you a lot of fries and then a little bit. Hold on now, what's going on there? Oh, copyright. Oh, copyright.
It's busting though. It's busting though, bro.
Anyways, here go the lemon pepper wings, y'all. Lemon pepper. Oh, that stinks, bro. Bro, 1 out of 10 smell?
Yo,
A
that's
3,
this,
bro. Bro.
stank.
Oh, smell it,
bro.
What the fuck?
Yeah, we gonna say that for last, dog. Hell no.
Motherfucker smell like beef.
What's this? Oh, the waffle. Hey, these don't look bad. Waffle nacho. What is these? Waffle nacho fries.
Bro, I should have got those, bro.
Oh, those don't look good.
Don't look bad. Taste test right now. I didn't want to taste test them wings, though. I'm sorry.
Freaky ass bike.
Yeah, this is good though.
I ain't gonna lie, it's cool. My burger cool 7.
Cool 7. What? I get.
Ain't gonna lie, bro. They cheddar cheese fries like an 8, bro.
I'll give these a. I'll give these a 7. I had better, but for Wong'S, it's a 7.
No. I had better.
Try
than
some? Bro?
I'm good, man. Appreciate you, though.
Not bad. That's cool. Hey, them wings, dog. I ain't gonna lie. I love wings. I love chicken. All right, but that don't look like no chicken. Or smell like it.
I look like they found it in the garbage. The way how it stank,
I think this is a chicken sandwich. I guess everybody get flour bread. Oh. Feel me? Presentation wise, a little bit of fries. I could have got some more. Fry test. No salt.
No, none.
No salt.
In and out fries.
Yep. No salt. Gotta add your own. Yeah. Fries is a 2 for sure.
Yeah, they could do better on their fries.
Bro, they didn't even say it had tomatoes, dude. I don't like tomatoes, y'all. I'm one of them. Hey, that's crazy. That's why I keep towels in my car. Is it towel in this? Grab them, wipe my hands. That's why I keep towels in the wheel. You got towels in the wheel. Do that. It worked. Alright, I'm gonna try this chicken sandwich for y'all. I'm scared, dog. Please don't kill me.
How that motherfucker hit it for a game?
I don't think that's it, dog.
And then he took another bite, bro. You probably need another bite, bro.
Hey, go get you one if you ain't got one. Dog, I don't know.
No, you need another bite, bro. Get another bite, bro.
Dog, I don't know, bro. Bro, I think Look, bro, this one of them chicken patties you warm up, bro, and you just put on there, bro. I think that's
Microwavable ass
on my
patties.
soul. They probably just put it in the fryer, dude.
That's what they did with these fries for sure, bro.
I'm not fucking with it.
I'm fucking with these two cheese fries.
I'm not messing with y'all. But I mean, it ain't bad, but it's bad. I'll get out of 6. Man, I'm finna die. Dog, I'm finna die. Alright. Texture, they crispy. It's supposed to be crispy. It's actually not bad.
Yeah, it ain't bad, but it stink like a motherfucker, bro.
No, actually, that's bad. Hold on. This right there, he don't beg y'all. For my soul. The dog. Yeah, I'm not. I think I'm messing with these, bro. Try a wing. A flat, my bad. They put the season on there, all right. The season is on there. Your burger hit. You finish that. Burger hit.
Look, good.
Gang burger hit. Maybe I just gotta try it again. These bust. These hit. You sure you want? You want like cheese?
It's not that.
What is it?
You.
Oh,
Yeah, all I'm gonna say is, bro,
you heard it here first.
yeah, I see why they rated this restaurant so low, but it's good, bro.
No cap.
I ain't gonna lie, it has potential.
It do. It do, I ain't gonna lie.
It just you gotta they gotta shorten their menu, bro. They got too much.
Need to hire new people too.
Yo, I swear it's like only 4 people working in there.
So $8 for an appetizer, that still got me, man.
How much you think appetizers usually be?
What, about like $4?
You tweaking?
$3?
You tweaking? I had some questions I had to answer. One of them was kind of, what kind of car do I got? I got a Bugatti. Nah, I'm
Shit, man. You wish.
I got a Nissan, you know, but it ain't no regular Nissan. Catch me on the road, I might just have to. You know what I mean? Somebody said that. Somebody said, "How old am I? How old do I look?"
About like 25.
W mans. That's what I am. 25, bro. What else they say? Dang. I mean,
Yo, that's the dude that just pulled over, bro.
are you serious?
Bro.
Spin the block. Hey, y'all, whenever I cut the camera off, I swear, y'all, somebody got pulled over like 20 seconds later. Like 2 cops trapped them in here.
Them cops was not playing with dude. Now he rolling around DD discount.
He went to go pull somebody in D.
Now he finna go shop. This shit crazy.
That's probably what he was trying to do. No, I'm not messing with this. I turned my rating for the burgers to 0. Don't get that.
Oh, for real?
Oh, for real. The wings, I ain't rate them, y'all. I'll give them A 5, because I had way better wings. Go to Wingstop.
I'm gonna lie though. I wouldn't prefer this restaurant.
Albertson's wings are better.
Yeah, I wouldn't prefer
You heard
this
him.
restaurant, bro.
You heard him. Dog. Yeah. So, what we just had was Wong'S. And I'm going to tell y'all this. I don't suggest it. Because you're not going to like it. You're not going to like it.
If you was hungry and everything was closed,
Yeah. If everything closed and it ain't nothing to eat, go here, get you some waffle nacho fries, and that's it.
Or a Cali burger.
A Cali burger.
that motherfucker, them chili cheese fries, they do be busting, bro.
They don't look like they bust though.
But they do, bro.
Y'all be honest, when you look like they bust. But now
Man, don't
we
lie.
finna get back to the crib, y'all. If y'all want more videos like this, y'all feel me, y'all just let me know. We out of here. I gotta go feed Zeus, y'all, that's why. If not, we would have been out, about, you feel me?
Doing some other shit.
Having motion.
Bro.
Oh.
Ooh.
Excuse me. You got chili on your hands, dog?
Hey, imagine this shit wasn't recording.
He talking about restart.
Dog, I promise you. I'm about to look right now, y'all. I promise you. If this did not, I'm not eating this food no more. I'm not eating this food no more. That's it. But y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all feel me? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure y'all share. Bye.